This how to 1 minute will show you how to add a background image to your Blogger post. So as you can see, I'm in my Blogger post page and I want to add a image background here. So for that, I'm going to my Blogger dashboard, and so first of all click on theme and click on this arrow icon and click on edit HTML. Once you are here, you will get this code in this video description below. So download this code and here search for this Basecamp tag here, and before the Basecamp tag you have to paste this code and enter here your image URL. This is my image URL. I'm copying it and pasting it here. Save. And that's how we can add a image background in blog post. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.